Hello guys, and welcome back to the video. I've basically some chilling and do like a flash drive like a flash drive USB driver. So I got X-Men Apocalypse USB driver because X-Men Apocalypse didn't have any toy about X-Men Apocalypse disease, so that is kinda bad actually. So let's say this, we got this name of the cinemas that I got actually. We got X-Men Apocalypse in 19 HD. We got the very picture of USB on here, X-Men logo at the side. We got a picture of X-Men logo at the back, just X-Men Apocalypse on the side. So let's see inside actually. So this is the inside actually. Now we see I just have to image. Okay, now this is the driver actually. So this is the USB driver, looking quite awesome actually. X-Men logo pretty nice and shiny actually. Oh, it's pretty shiny actually. Okay, now it's pretty shiny actually, looking quite awesome. I really love this actually, and this is the driver actually, quite awesome. Oops, and the back actually got the name X-Men Apocalypse, only cinemas, and you can put a key keychain on here actually. So actually you can display you can put this at the back actually, and yeah actually, and there is the normal X-Men logo. That is more awesome actually. I really love that actually. But if you want to display with the box, you have to open up the driver actually. But looking quite awesome actually, pretty cool actually. The X-Men logo quite awesome actually, can I say. And like I say, you can put the keychain and put it on your key or bag or anything actually. So I really love to display like this actually, just display like this actually on my table. I think just look pretty awesome actually displaying like this. So yeah, that's it. So okay, do subscribe and comment, share the video, and goodbye.